Our topic is food and nutrition. What do we get from food? We get energy from food. What do we get from food? We get energy from food. We divide food in three categories: meat, dairy products, fruits and vegetables. There are two types of meat: red meat and white meat. Cow has red meat. Goat has red meat. Fish and hen, they both contain the white meat. And what do we get from meat? We get proteins from meat. How do the proteins help in our body? Proteins make us grow and they also heal up the cuts in our body. Now I am going to tell you about the raw food and the cooked food. Raw food are those food which are eaten without cooking, like garlic, like onion, like cucumber, radish and carrots, and also all the fruits are eaten without cooking. As there are some cooked food. Cooked food are the food which are eaten after cooking, like bitter gourd, potato, spinach, eggplant. These are the vegetables which are eaten after cooking. Now there are some healthy food and there are the junk food. Healthy food are good for your health and they will make you healthy, like the vegetable salad and the fruit salad, like cheese, like butter, like all the fruits and vegetables are healthy. Now I am going to tell you about the junk food, like chocolate. These are junk food, are not good for our health. We can get sick, like burgers, like all the sweets and all the candies. These are the junk food. Now I am going to talk about the fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are big source of vitamins and minerals. They will not make you sick and they will also not make you fat. Carrots and apricots are big source of vitamin A. And oranges, capsicums, and lemon. Capsicum, oranges and lemon are big source of vitamin C. And you can also find vitamin D from egg, milk and seafood. And sun rays are also big source of vitamin D. So this is all about the food and the nutrition we get from them and the energy we get from them. Now I am going to show you the food pyramid. Food pyramid shows you the balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet which includes different types of food in proper quantity. Okay, now there are some dairy products. Dairy products include butter, milk, egg, cheese and cream. Dairy products are a big source of calcium and they will make your teeth and your bones strong. So this is all about food and the energy we get from them. Today I am going to show you the formation of Quechua and the friends of Quechua. Quechua queen. Quechua quit. We used to take quilt during winters. Quechua quiet. We should keep quiet while taking the class. Quechua koil, and koil is a bird, beta. And Quechua question mark. Question mark is used to ask a question. Question mark. And Quechua quarter. 1/4 part of an object is called quarter. Okay, beta. Now I am going to show you the English alphabets. A. Beaver, seeker, deed, E. F. Jigger, H. Her, I. E. J. K long ka, okay, L M N and O Peepa, and after Peepa comes the Qqa. Now I am going to show you how to write Qqa. Pencil on a dot beta, make a circle, touch the grass letter line, go back, touch the dot and a slanting line. And Q, the sound of Q. Semicircle, go up, standing line and a slanting line. Please do not write Q like this. Okay, this is the wrong formation, and do not make a loop of Q. This is the wrong formation. Now I am going to show you the pages which you have to do. Page number 13, the writing of Qqa, and draw two pictures here. And page number 12, you have over here the friends of Qqa. Qqa quiet, Qqa quilt and Qqa coil. You will not color in pen, it starts with Peepa. You have to color in Qqa here and circle the letter Qqa. And page number 14 is your homework. There is a question mark. You have to join the dots of the phonics and complete the question mark and the writing of Qqa. This page number 14 is your homework. And there is a reinforcement page which we are going to do on Thursday. Over here you have to write the starting letter of the picture. Page number 11. Peepa parrot, N nose. O octopus, Peepa pumpkin and N noodles. Okay, this is the reinforcement page. You have to do it by yourself, and we have already done the English alphabets. This is all about Q. Today I am going to tell you the formation of Ra and the friends of R. First of all, I am going to show you the friends of R. Rug. Okay. Rain. And you can also see rainbow in during rain. Rabbit. Ring. Girls used to wear the ring. Rocket. Rocket takes you into space. Rose. Rose is a flower. Okay. Now I am going to show you the English alphabets. A. Beaver. Seeker. Deed. F. Jig. H. I. Jaj. K long. L. M. N. O. Peepa, Qqa, and after Qqa comes R. Okay, now I am going to show you how to write R. Pencil on a dot beta, standing line, go back, make a semicircle, and from this end make a slanting line. R. Now look at this sound. Pencil on a dot, standing line, go back and make a semicircle, touch the grass letter line. Beta, do not write like this and do not write like this. This is the wrong formation. Now I am going to show you the pages which you have to do. Page number 15 and 16 are your classwork. Over here on page number 16 you have to do the writing of Ra and make two pictures with Ra. And over here you have to do the matching. Ra ring, Ra rabbit and Ra rose. And Q starts with Qqa. So do not color in it. Over here you have to write the sound of the R, and over here you have to write down the name of R. Okay? And page number 17 is your homework. You have to take the rabbit to eat the carrot, to help him to find the way towards the carrot. And you have to do the writing on page number 17. आज मैं आपको स्वाद लिखना सिखाऊंगी और स्वाद के दोस्तों से भी मिलाऊंगी, जिनको हम स्वाद के फ्रेंड्स भी कहते हैं. स्वाद सफ़ा, स्वाद साबुन, स्वाद सुराही, स्वाद सोफा, देखिए आप सोफे पे बैठते हैं, ठीक है। और स्वाद संदूक, संदूक में हम कोई चीजें रख सकते हैं, देखें, और मामा भी चीजें आपकी रखती हैं। स्वाद साहब। अब मैं आपको उर्दू के सारे हरूफ दिखाती हूँ। अलिफ, मेरे पीछे आप प्लीज बोले बेटा, अलिफ मद्दा, इसके ऊपर मद्दा होता है। और ये देखें बे की फैमिली, बे, पे, पे के नीचे 3 नुक्ते, ते, टे पे टोपी होती है। और ये देखें से के ऊपर 3 नुक्ते। अब जीम की फैमिली, जीम, चे, हे, और ये देखिए खे के सर पे नुक्ता है। दाल, ये देखिए दाल की फॉर्मेशन, दाल का खानदान में 3 हरूफ हैं, दाल, डाल पे टोपी, और ये जाल। अब मैं आपको रे का खानदान दिखाती हूँ। रे, अड़े, अड़े पे टोपी, जे, और ये। इसके बाद आते हैं 2 भाई, सीन और ये शीन। इनके बाद आता है स्वाद, शीन के बाद क्या आता है? स्वाद, जो मैं आज आपको लिखना भी दिखाऊंगी और इसके दोस्तों से भी मिलवाऊंगी। ये देखें स्वाद कैसे लिखते हैं। आपने पेंसिल रखनी है नुक्ते पे, ओवल शेप बना के डॉट को टच करना है, आगे आना है बेटा, सीधा 1 लिख के दायरा बनाते हुए ऊपर चले जाना है। अगर आपने इसको सर्कल करके ऐसे लिखा तो ये रॉन्ग फॉर्मेशन होगी। मैं आपको दोबारा बताती हूँ। पेंसिल रखनी है डॉट पे, ओवल शेप बना के डॉट को टच करके आगे आना है, फिर नीचे आके स्टैंडिंग लाइन की तरह दायरा बनाते हुए ऊपर चले जाना है। तो ये है स्वाद। स्वाद में आज मैंने आपको ये वाला पेज करेंगे, पेज नंबर 14, ठीक है। इसमें एक तस्वीर भी बनानी है। और ये पेज नंबर 13, पेज नंबर आपका 11, ये आपका होमवर्क है। इसमें आपने फिंगर प्रिंटिंग करनी है, संदूक, ये सफ़ा बना हुआ है। और ये देखें, ये आपका ट्यूसडे का काम है, क्लास वर्क है। इसमें आपने स्वाद की ट्रेसिंग करनी है, स्वाद की जो ओवल शेप है उसकी सुराही में। और ये देखिए स्वाद के दोस्त जो मैंने अभी आपको बताए हैं, स्वाद साबुन, स्वाद सोफा और स्वाद सुराही। और ये पत्ता तो पेज ही होता है, इसमें आपने कुछ नहीं करना, इसमें कलरिंग नहीं करनी। ये पेज नंबर 13 है। तो पेज नंबर 14 और पेज नंबर 11 आपका वेंसडे का काम है, और पेज नंबर 13 और पेज नंबर 12 आपका ट्यूसडे का काम है। This is your numbers class and I am going to tell you how to write number 15. First of all, I am going to tell you that we do numbers in families, like family of unit, family of 10, family of 20 and family of 30. I am going to tell you about the family of unit first. Let's do the drill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and family of, then starts the family of 10. Family of 10 includes 11, 12, 13, 14, and then comes the number 15. So 15 comes after number 14, okay, and after 15 comes number 16. So 15 is after number 14 and before number 16. Okay, after number 14 and before number 16, 15 comes. Now I am going to show you how to write 15. Pencil on a dot, standing line. Pencil on a dot, standing line, semicircle and then a sleeping line. Beta, do not write 5 like this. This is the wrong formation of 5. Now I am going to show you the pages which you have to do from your book. Page number 10. Page number 10, you have to do the writing of number 15. And look over here, you have to count this is the bathtub, and you have to count the bubbles from the bathtub. Which bathtub has the 15 number of bubbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This bathtub has 14 number of bubbles. So this is not the correct answer. This bathtub has the 15 number of bubbles. So you have to color this bathtub. And okay, this is your number class. Today I am going to tell you how to write number 16. First of all, I want to tell you that we do numbers in families. Family of unit, family of 10, family of 20 and family of 30. Let's do the counting start counting from family of unit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Family of 10. Family of 10 includes 11, okay, 12, 13, 14, 15 and then number 16. So number 16 comes after number 15. Okay beta, now I am going to show you how to write 16. Pencil on a dot and a standing line, and then pencil on a dot, then write 6. Semicircle and make it round. 6. Do not write 6 like this. This is the wrong formation of 6. Okay, now I am going to show you the page number 11. This is the Wednesday work. Okay, you have to do page number 11. You have to count the raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this rectangle has the 16 number of raindrops and this has the 15 number of raindrops. So do not color it and color in the 16 number of in that rectangle which has the 16 number of raindrops. This is the page number 11 you have to do on Wednesday. This is your classwork. Okay beta. This is your number class and I am going to tell you how to do the backward counting from 10 to 0. We have already done it in the class, but today I am going to reinforce it. First, I am going to tell you the family of unit. Keep counting with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now start counting backward from 10. Okay, and write it in these circles. 10. What comes before 10? 9. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 2? 1. And what comes before 1? 0. Okay. Keep reinforcing the backward counting from 10 to 0. Now I am going to show you the page which we are going to do on Tuesday. Page number 9. Okay, you have to do the backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this is the backward counting.